Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today's video is going to be the second part in my mini skincare routine series. I'm going to go over my nighttime skincare routine. If you haven't watched the first part of this mini skincare routine series yet, I will link it up in this video and also in the description box below, so you can check that out as well. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's get into my nighttime skincare routine. So at nighttime, I usually enjoy doing a double cleanse because a lot of times just one cleanser won't cleanse. How many times can I say cleanse? Okay, just one cleanser cannot completely cleanse your skin, especially if you're wearing heavy makeup or even a more thick and greasy sunscreen. One cleanser will not remove all those layers off of your skin. So I like to first go in with a cleansing oil or balm, and one I've tried is the Tatcha One Step Camellia cleansing oil. This gets rid of absolutely every ounce, every bit of makeup that you have on your skin. It gets rid of waterproof mascara, gets rid of eyeliner, liquid lipstick, you name it, it gets rid of it all. However, she's expensive. Okay, I actually got this in a gift set quite a while ago, so that's why I'm actually testing it out, because if not, I wouldn't have even thought about trying this out. It's really good. It doesn't strip your skin at all. In fact, it actually hydrates and soothes your skin. I think that, you know, this could easily be duped by another cleansing oil. Sure, it might not have as much benefits as this one does, but you can for sure find something else that's much more affordable that will do the exact same job. In fact, I've already tried one that is on the other side of the spectrum, and I was actually gifted this by my friend Paola, so thank you, Paola. It's the Ordinary Squalane cleanser, and it does the exact same job as this Tatcha cleansing oil, but for a fraction of the price, and it's great. It removes all my makeup. What I really enjoy about both of these actually, but this one as well, is that it doesn't sting my eyes. So I can really get in there with my eyelashes and get rid of all of the mascara and eye makeup, and it won't hurt my eyes. And if I can just do it patiently and not have to worry about it stinging my eyes, then I don't have to be rough with my eye area. Both of these, you need to use them when dry. So you put them in your dry hands and rub them on your dry face, and it just slides over your face so smoothly. It doesn't tug. Honestly, it's very good. It's very good. I highly enjoy it. Both of these I highly enjoy, but obviously this one is much better because of the price. Yes, this one has more benefiting ingredients in it, but this one does the exact same job for a much lower price. And of course, I highly recommend double cleansing, especially if you're wearing heavy makeup or a thick sunscreen. It gets rid of your makeup much easier without having to tug or use makeup wipes, which is a whole other topic of itself, but I highly recommend using a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil. After using the cleansing oil, I just use the same Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Daily Cleanser that I use in the morning. You kind of have to get rid of the oil that you just applied on your face and the little residue of makeup that you can have left over. So yeah, that's kind of the double cleanse concept, is that you're going in with a cleansing balm or oil first, breaking up all of the makeup and sunscreen, and then you're cleaning your face with a daily cleanser or a foaming cleanser or a gel cleanser. At nighttime, I like using AHAs or alpha hydroxy acids. And basically what AHAs do is that when used in a proper concentration, they exfoliate the skin chemically, which means that it removes the surface layer of dead skin cells, which in turn will speed up and improve the skin rejuvenating cycle or skin turnover cycle. This has shown to reduce the signs of aging and improve your skin tone and even out your skin tone and even improve dry skin. As I mentioned, it removes the dead skin cells, so your skin can look smoother and have less flakes. It can slightly irritate your skin, especially if it's the first time you're using it and your skin's not used to it. So it is recommended to kind of build up your skin's tolerance to use it. Once you are using it regularly, it has been shown to really improve the skin's texture and in the long term be very beneficial for your skin. Also, because you're kind of getting rid of that surface level of dead skin cells, it is very important. I'm pretty sure I've already convinced you to use sunscreen in part 1. However, if you use AHAs, your skin becomes more susceptible to sunburn, so it is very important to use sunscreen, especially, regardless, you have to use sunscreen, but especially if you are using AHAs. If you've never used it before, I recommend starting with a lower concentration or try a patch test first. You also want to build up your tolerance, so only start by using it, for example, once a week, and then if you want to use it more often, you can try twice a week and then slowly build it up from there. The most well-researched and thus most commonly used AHAs are glycolic acid and lactic acid. In toner form, I like using the OleHenriksen Glow 2O Dark Spot Toner. This product has both glycolic acid and lactic acid. I don't use this product every day. I usually use it once every other day or once every 2 days because it is pretty potent. Even though it doesn't disclose the concentration, it does say it has a high potency of AHAs. So I am careful with this, as should you be. It also has chamomile extract and licorice extract, which soothe the skin. So it's also taking care of if your skin does get a little bit sensitive from using the AHAs. It has a counteracting ingredients where it soothes your skin. However, it does have witch hazel water, which can irritate your skin, but it's an antioxidant that is used in many skincare products. So you might want to test it out before actually committing. I know that they have a mini version of the bottle, and I didn't mention this in part 1, but OleHenriksen has something with fragrance in their products. All of their products has fragrance in them. I don't know why. If you are sensitive to fragrance, you might want to avoid all OleHenriksen products in general. However, if you are not sensitive to fragrance, I do think that this is a great product as an introduction to AHAs. It's very easy to use, it's pretty foolproof. The only thing is probably start out slow, maybe using it once a week, and of course the next day apply sunscreen. On the days that I don't use that AHA toner, I use the same fresh vitamin Nectar antioxidant glow water that I use in the morning as my essence/toner. When I'm in need of extra support and my skin is feeling extra dull or flaky or dry, then I like using the Farmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum as my AHA product. I don't use the toner and this combined. That would be way too much. You're just adding AHAs upon AHAs, so you're basically increasing the concentration. This one does say the percentage that it has. It has 14% of a combo of AHAs, BHAs, and flower acids. BHAs are beta hydroxy acids, which is basically salicylic acid. You've probably heard of this ingredient if you've dealt with acne-prone skin in your lifetime. It's also a chemical exfoliant. It will treat bumps. It's used to help reduce pores and dullness. So it's a great combination to have into one serum. It also has honey extract, which soothes and hydrates the skin. But folks, this serum is not a game. It is potent. It will sting once you first apply it. It does sting your skin, so you need to be careful. Obviously, start small, start using it once a week or once every 2 weeks. Do a patch test if you haven't tried AHAs ever. But once you do get used to it and once you can use it freely, I usually use it once or max twice a week. And when I do, I notice the biggest difference in my skin. It makes my skin glow. It reduces bumps that I have. I usually get many bumps on my forehead. It diminishes the bumps a lot. It also evens out my skin tone. It improves my skin's dullness. I mean, what else do you want? Oh yeah, a lower price. Just like Tatcha, Farmacy is just one of those brands that the price is up there. I think Farmacy is a bit more affordable than Tatcha, but it is still up there. I do have one tip for when shopping at Sephora, and I noticed this kind of last year when I was looking through the holiday value sets. So I wanted to purchase this product, right? And this product alone, I think it's around 74 Canadian dollars. But then they also had a holiday value set, which was I think $83. So for $9 more, you get this full size. And I also got a deluxe size sample of the Farmacy cleanser, which I highly enjoyed, and I also got the Farmacy honey grail oil. So for $9 more, you got 2 extra products, which I think is great. So my tip when splurging on products at Sephora, make sure you check if the product that you are interested in comes in a value set. because if it comes in a value set, chances are that you're getting more products to try out for the same price. Like I know right now the OleHenriksen Truth Serum comes in a set with a full-sized nighttime serum and a full-size nighttime moisturizer, and the Truth Serum alone I think is around $60, and the set is $68. I think it's on sale now for $68, which is amazing. You're getting 2 other full-size products. So that's my number 1 tip when shopping at Sephora. If you're interested in splurging in one item, double check if the same item is included in a value set, and you have a higher chance of it being in a value set around the holidays. So I highly recommend checking this before you splurge on the item that you want. After applying the serum, I of course use the moisturizer, and I use the same First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream that I use in the morning. On the days that I don't use the Honeymoon Glow Serum, I will use the Ordinary's 100% Plant-Derived Squalane Serum. However, if you have oily skin, please stay far away from this. You will hate this product. I know that the Ordinary has a semi-squalane. I'll have it in the description box below, so you'd probably want to try out that before this. However, I don't use this before my moisturizer. I use the AHA toner or the Fresh Essence. Then I go in with the First Aid Beauty moisturizer, and lastly I put on this serum. That's just because this serum is oil based, and you don't want to apply it before any water-based products, or else your water-based products can't penetrate through the oil and into your skin. As we all know from basic chemistry, water and oil do not mix.
Yes, science!
So you want to apply any oil-based products after all your water-based products. And this Ultra Repair Cream is water-based, which is why I have to apply this and then this. So as you've noticed, my nighttime skincare routine is sort of a little bit all over the place. I don't use all of these products all in one night. I kind of base it around my AHA products. So I use the toner about once every other day or once every 2 days. And on the days that I use the serum, I don't use the toner. So I'll skip the toner to use the serum. And on days that I use the Farmacy Honey Glow Serum, I don't use the Ordinary Squalane Serum. I hope that makes sense. And lastly, I like going in with the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I got the mini version because I did not want to believe the hype, but believe me when I tell you people, the hype is real. This stuff is amazing. I highly recommend. When I wake up, my lips feel brand new. Highly recommend for everyone. Oily skin, dry skin, daughters, mothers, aunts, uncles, dads, neighbors, everyone. Okay guys, so that was my nighttime skincare routine, and that concludes this mini series of my skincare routine. I hope you found both videos informative. If you have any questions, I say this always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. If you have any comments, recommendations, or video recommendations, please leave them in the comments down below. Also, if you enjoyed these videos, please subscribe to my channel. It will help me out a lot. I am trying to put out some more content. I am really enjoying this. I'm enjoying filming. I highly enjoy editing. I've always enjoyed editing videos. So it's a sort of creative outlet in this crazy world we are living in right now, and I am truly enjoying it. And I hope that you guys are enjoying my videos. Please subscribe to my channel if you are. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. See you in my next video. Bye!